Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am going to be making some chicken tenders and just going to be done in my Ninja Foodi grill. So I'm seasoning my chicken breasts or my tenders. I am seasoning my chicken cutlets, sorry. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. It's not salty at all. And I'm going to be adding some adobo seasoning. So I'm going to be sprinkling maybe, let's see, about half a teaspoon. Yep. And I'm adding some Cajun seasoning as well. And about 1/4 teaspoon as well, and now we mix to combine. So guys, I'm going to make the coating for my chicken cutlets. So I have some flour in this bowl here. I'm going to add a little baking powder. It's about a half adobo with the flour. Again, about a 1/4 teaspoon. Adding me some paprika for color. Not much. Yep. And I'm going to stir this. Alright. Mix it up, mix it up. Adding a little Cajun seasoning just for the spice. Now I'm going to break my eggs and mix them together. Before that, I'm going to remove the little white stuff from the egg. Yep. With this fork. Okay. I'm going to add some beer. I'm doing Labatt Blue, so it's a beer batter that I'm making. So I just add my beer to the egg. So now I'm going to coat my chicken cutlet into the batter. And then I'm going to add it to the flour. Put it in the flour. Also, like a Foodi grill. So I'm going to press preheat. I'm going to press, it's going to be air crisp. So I press air crisp. It's 390 degree. So I'm going to move it to 350 degree Fahrenheit, and I'm going to add it for 15 minutes. I'm going to start it, preheat, and now I'm going to add my chicken to the tray. So I've added my chicken to the tray, and now I'm going to spray with some canola or cooking spray. Okay. And now my grill is ready. I said add food. So now I'm gonna add my chicken. So here, just place this in there. My tray, oops, hot. Close it. And let it cook. Let's take a look, guys. Okay, still cooking. It smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so delicious. This is on my kitchen right now. So now it's halfway through cooking, so I'm going to turn them over on the opposite side. And I'm going to spray this side as well. I'm going to cover and let it continue to cook. And there are my chicken tenders, guys, in my Ninja Foodi grill. And there are my chicken tenders cooked in my Ninja Foodi grill, and I cooked them for 20 minutes. And I can't, and here they are.